The North Star, another example of Labour, Plaid Cymru, Liberal Democrat politicians killing the Welsh economy, taking away our pubs and taking away people's jobs. Why am I saying that? You're probably thinking, well, people don't go to pubs as much nowadays, the economic climate is difficult. Agreed. But what do we do in Wales? We hammer pubs, we hammer businesses with rateable values. Massive amounts of money have to be found every month to pay the bills for the Welsh Government. Why don't we abolish rateable values for pubs? Why don't we put pubs in a special category of community assets? And then if people are getting ripped off by the pub companies, what could happen is local government could compulsorily purchase these community assets and release to tenants who just simply want to run pubs, provide services, and give people space in communities to meet, socialise, and have a cracking Sunday lunch like we used to get here.